PDP. Mr. President, Mr. Vice President, in 7 days' time, former Vice President and my good people of Rivers State, I will speak very briefly because we have 2 other meetings to go to. And I'll be speaking on only 2 issues, which look like opposites, but they are contradictions and they are united. The first one is on democracy and dictatorship. The second one is the issue of North versus South. On the first one, for those who may not know, this party was formed as a struggle against dictatorship. The People's Democratic Party emerged because military dictatorship didn't want to leave Nigeria. And a number of us came together and said, we will fight for democracy. We forgot our party differences and we worked together. A number of our original members, some who have gone to the great beyond, some who are still with us, a number of them went to prison. Abubakar Rimi was imprisoned in the Ilorin prison for almost 3 months. Sule Lamido was imprisoned in Maiduguri prison. And then, for many of you who don't know, our brother Atiku Abubakar was attacked in his own house in Kaduna by armed military people. He narrowly escaped death, but many members of his household were killed. He had to run and leave the country. Why am I telling you this? I'm telling you the good people of Rivers State, and to thank you for your courage, and to thank people like Abie Sekibo and Lee Meiba, who have suffered in the hands of tyranny, attempts to kill them. It is exactly the way we, the founding fathers of this party, suffered. They tried to kill us, but they didn't kill our spirit. We fought on, and luckily, along the line, the People's Democratic Party was born. Secondly, let me say that it was born as a party owned by the people. It was not controlled by any one of us, the founding fathers. Not Alex Ekweme, not Solomon La, not Adamu Chiroma or any of the people. Not Atiku Abubakar. Even President Obasanjo, when we formed the party, he was not there. He was in Yola prison. They took him out, he came and joined us, and was only a beneficiary of our democratic efforts. We survived. We won for democracy. This party along the line was drifting away back to dictatorship. When I came in as chairman of the party, I consulted with other party leaders, including our current president, and we decided that we must return this party back to the people. Can you please give me your ears? Young people, please listen to what I'm telling you. We determined that we will return this party to the people. This party will never be controlled by one single individual or any group of individuals. And the first step we took was to make sure that the party is financially independent. I am happy to say that since I became chairman of the party, apart from the initial money that the governors gave us, we have maintained financial independence for this party. We are not running to anybody to pay salaries or to do anything. So we have brought this party back to you, the ordinary people that control the party. Anybody who makes any attempt to seize control of this party by a coup of a few people, by any name to call, we will resist it and it will not happen. And that is exactly what we have done. The second issue is that of North-South. In my last 30-something years in Nigerian politics, and thank God, a number of you who I have worked with from the SDP times to now are here, including my brother, Atiku Abubakar. The North has voluntarily given power to the South. It has never been by way of force. In 1993, this brother, good Nigerian, patriotic Nigerian, ran against MKO Abiola. I was the president of the Senate at that time, and I was largely the one running the Social Democratic Party that time because we had no executive. Abiola won in Jos. Within 1 week, we all rallied around Abiola, and that is how we were able to win the 1993 election that was annulled. Nobody in the North said they won't vote for Abiola. And when we were campaigning, in some places in the North that we went, they will tell us, go and sit down. Abiola is a nationalist. You don't need to come and campaign. I can give you one specific example. We went to Bauchi. I was there with Abiola. The North say, go back. The North voted overwhelmingly for Abiola. That's why he won. Why? Because Abiola built bridges. You cannot win president in Nigeria without building bridges. Secondly, in 1999 when we formed, 98 when we formed the party, my brother, Atiku Abubakar, talked to me that I should be the Director General of Obasanjo's campaign. And I agreed, and I did it. I know the series of meetings we had, we in the North, determined that the leadership of this country must go back to the South because of what happened to Abiola. Nobody forced anybody. In both political parties, I'm sure my brother, when he stands up, he will talk about it. Both AMPP, AD Alliance, and we in the People's Democratic, both candidates were from the South. And the South unanimously removed Obasanjo from prison, pardoned him, funded him, organized, and made sure Obasanjo was elected. That's how President Obasanjo, a Southerner, a Christian, became the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Second time in 2003, if we had agreed, he would not have been president. We still supported him, and he did second term. It's when he said he would do third term that we refused. We organized against it, and we stopped him. Third time, your own son from Bayelsa Rivers was elected as vice president. The president who was from the North, after 2 years, he died. The North didn't say they would bring down the house. Doctrine of necessity. Your son became the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. He finished Umaru Yar'Adua's 2 years And not only that, he was re-elected with massive support from the North. Why am I telling you this? We, as a National Working Committee, conducted one of the best conventions in the history of this country. And somebody emerged. And then others think, rather erroneously, that they can bring down this party, which is owned by the people. That cannot happen. The Nigerian people will not accept it. The people of Rivers will stand by the candidate of the People's Democratic Party. And this message to all my southern brothers and those of us from the Middle Belt. It is only after we do that, that tomorrow, when Ayu runs for president, my Muslim northern brother will support. We cannot divide this country. And that is why it is very, very important that we are putting forward a candidate who is prepared to unify this country. Atiku is a unifier. I have worked with him politically for the last 30-something years. I can tell you that he's competent, he's knowledgeable, and is somebody who takes every Nigerian as his brother and sister. Support him and let's unite this country for a democratic